In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp, head to your workspace and open the list you'll be working in. In this example, the list is called New Project under my workspace. If you don't see it immediately, use the sidebar to navigate to the correct space and folder, then select the list to bring up all its tasks. Next, open the specific task you want to track time on. Click the task to open its detailed view. This is important because time in ClickUp is tied to individual tasks, which makes reporting and billing much cleaner later on. Inside the task, look for the Track Time option. Click it to open the time tracking panel. From here, choose Add Time. You'll now see two ways to record your work. You can enter time manually, or you can start a live timer. If you prefer to log time after the fact, choose the option to enter time. First, set the date, the day you actually did the work. Then set the from and until fields to match your start and end times. Take a moment to double check AM and PM and make sure your time zone is correct for accurate totals. Manual entry is perfect when you forget to start the timer or you're logging a block of work from earlier in the day. If you'd rather track in real time, pick the Start Timer option. Click it when you begin working and let it run in the background. When you finish, come back to the task and stop the timer. The system will create the entry automatically with the exact duration. This helps avoid guesswork and is especially useful for tasks with lots of context switching. Before saving, add a short highlight or note describing what you worked on. Keep it clear and specific so teammates and future you can quickly understand the entry without opening the entire task history. Avoid adding any sensitive information here. You can also add tags to categorize the time. Click Add Tags and choose the labels your team uses, such as client, phase, or type of work. Consistent tagging makes reports and invoicing much easier to manage. When everything looks good, click Save. Your time entry is now attached to the task and will contribute to your total tracked time. If you notice an error, simply reopen the entry from the task and make adjustments. That's all there is to it. Open the list, choose the task, track your time, add context with a highlight and tags, and save.